Hi all, my name is Arjun. Today I am going to show you how to create a null extract or empty extract, local extract in a Tableau. Suppose when you have a larger data set and then you want to extract the data and then publish that extract to the server. When you have a larger data text, it takes a lot of so many hours to extract all data. It might take so much hours, like depends on the data. So in that case, you cannot wait for such long time. For that, you can use this kind of null extract. So what generally you will do in extract is once you get do the extract and save it in local and then publish that extract to the server, and then in the server you will connect to the live data connection data source, and then after that you will connect that extract to the your as a live data source into your Tableau to build the dashboard or views. So suppose what happens is when you have a larger extract data set, that takes a lot of time to extract whole data. So here is one of the simple method. You can extract it in a couple of minutes or minutes only. It takes a minute to extract and publish that extract to the server. So there is one blog post on this in the Tableau. You can Google it, easy empty local extract, and you can see how they have written to extract the data, null extract or empty extract it. So I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing is they've said to create the parameters. So create a parameter, create an empty extract, and then so you can take it as a boolean, true, false, yes, no. Okay, once parameter is created, yes, no, the boolean, and then show parameter, you can show it here, show parameter, keep it yes. Okay, yes. Then next we'll need a calculated field to expose the chosen value. So create a calculated field and drag this empty extract, create empty extract, right? Yes. Okay, after that now you have to go to extract data, go to extract data, then add here, type the create empty extract here, choose it true, it should be true, should be excluded, exclude this. Okay, so it shows exclude true. Okay, so then now you can extract it. Okay, I'll save it here. So I'll go and check whether it's, yeah, see, it's extracted. So then what you need to do is next is you have to change this to no and then publish. Now go to server, publish the data source. So you can publish to the server now, and that's all you need to do it here. See, if you've seen now, it's taken just a seconds to extract it, local extract. Otherwise, when you hit extract, it takes so much of hours. So this way you can do it, and then after that, once you went to the server, then you can refresh that or change the connections. So that's all about this empty extract and null extracts. So you can do it, you can save a lot of time using this method. So yes, I hope you understood what I've shown in this video, and you can check in Google, you can Google it, easy empty local extract, and then you can follow that method. And thanks for watching.